Hello everyone, myself is Kalaivani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Then my topic is Internet of Things. Then what is IoT? IoT is the Internet of Things. Internet of Things, it's not just a software, it's a combination of hardware, software and network connectivity. Like hardware is a sensor, actuators and device. The sensor is a temperature sensor, camera and Arduino. Software like program that collect the data and process it and control the device. And the network like internet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth to connect or to send and receive the data. So the correct statement of the IoT is a system where physical device with sensor and software or connect to the internet to collect the exchanging the data. Though, so then we have to discuss about the what is IoT. Then it's a common term of IoT. It's a nowadays we have used IoT. IoT is one of the device because we have the IoT have lot of sensors having. So first, what is a sensor? Sensor is a device. So the device first the detect or measure something in the physical world and converts into the data that the computer, microcontroller or cloud system can understand. It's a workflow looks like first sensor to microcontroller, then to network, then to cloud or application, then finally proceed the action. Then actuators. Actuators is a device that take a action in the physical world based on commands it's received from a controller or cloud system. It's a workflow first sensor to controller. So sensor to controller means to control the data or to control the some specific kind of actions. Then to decision and then actuators. Then final transducers. Transducers is a convert the physical quantity into a electrical signals or voice. Because the IoT system sensor are input transducers, actuators are output transducers. So these are common term in IoT. Then this image or this figure represent by types of sensors. So how many sensors are in IoT? First, PIR, passive infrared detection in a technology used in security system to detect movement or introduced by recognizing light emitted from nearby objects. Then humanity sensor are to use measure and monitor the amount of water present in the surrounding air. Then gynoscope. Gynoscope means detect and measure the angular motion of an object. Then transmission media sensor are used to identify gaps, notations, holes or slots in the label and tags. Reflective media sensor are used to identify black marks, eye marks or other dark printer identifier on the labels and tags. It's a IR represented by infrared. Then what is IoT? IoT is the network of electronical interconnect physical terms. Software, embedded electronical sensor and a host of other things are included in the list of physical objects. Physical objects in the sense like sensors, transducers and actuators. IoT is the process of gathering and sharing data among a network of linked devices to improve decision making. Physical objects embedded with sensor and actuators that communicate with computing system by wired or wireless network. Radical changes are all around us and have significant altered our way of life is in the digital era. Why IoT projects? Things. IoT, it's a different, suffered shuffled in the word. It's a thing. Think is the IoT sense like things can refer to a wide variety of devices such as heart monitoring implants, biochip transport on farm animals, automobile with built-in sensor, DNA analysis device for environmental food pathogen monitor or field operations like firefighters in search rescue of an operation. And these are all IoT terms and basic definitions. So IoT refers to network of interconnect device embedded with sensor, software and other technology to collect and exchange data over the network. So these devices are capable to interact with each other and with centralized system to automate and optimize tasks. Then IoT device. IoT device is a physical object equipped with sensor, process and connectivity features to collect and transmit the data. An example, smart thermostats, wearables and connect appliances. IoT ecosystem. Ecosystem, it's like a few components, represent all the components, including device, sensors, networks, platform and the application. So it's an interaction between device, system and user. Then entity. Entity refers to any objects or individual capable of being identify and interacting with the IoT system. So they can be a physical object, a digital device and or a person. The three kinds of layers are used in IoT. The physical layer is first one. IoT include the hardware component such as sensors, actuators and IoT device that interact with the physical environment to collect the data. Then network layer. Network layer, it's like communication between IoT device and system using various protocols and technologies. Example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee or cellular networks to transmit data. Then application layer. Application layer provides the interface between users and the IoT system. It includes software, application and dashboard that also allow user to access, control and manage the device and data. Remote. Remote device, it's one of the controlling purpose used to control IoT device remotely. Then smartphones can be used to control smart home device. Dashboard. Dashboard, it's used for user interface that's visualized and monitor the IoT data, provide the awareness and allowing users to control the device or trigger actions. Then analytics. It's involved processing and analyzing data collected by IoT device to generate. How to generate means actionable insights or predict outcomes and improve performance. And data storage. Data storage, it's referred used to the system, how many system or how many areas or how to store the amount of data, the large amount of data or tiny amount of data to stored in a particular place that place represented by data storage. So it refers to the system used to store the large value of data generated by IoT system. It includes cloud storage, edge storage and the database. And then the overall IoT system to connect the main purpose for network in the IoT or the communication pathway that enable device to send and receive data in local networks and wide area networks, LAN and WAN, and specialized to IoT networks for LoRaWAN. LoRaWAN means a low power wide area network. It's one of the protocol that connects device to the internet wirelessly. Then these image represent by the basic IoT to connect the various areas. Disambiguation of IoT versus IoE versus M2M versus others means first disambiguation. IoT, a network of physical device, sensor, actuators and appliances connected by the internet capable of collecting and exchanging the data. So it's a focus enabling communication between device and creating smart environments like smart homes and smart cities. Example, smart thermostats communicate with the smartphones to adjust rooms and the temperature. Internet of Everything, IoE. Broader than IoE or IoT or IoE encompasses people, process data, and think imposes the integration of all these elements. The interconnection of everything to generate actionable intelligence and improve decision making. Example, a smart healthcare system where wearable device monitor patients' health and communicate data to doctor while also analyzing data trends to optimize the treatments. Machine to machine, M to M, direct communication between machine or device without human intervention, often over wire or wireless. Focus point to point communication. Example, industrial automation and asset tracking. Example, a vending machine that automatically alerts the supplier when it's run out of the stock. Other related concept, cyber physical system definition. These where physical process are monitored and controlled by communication algorithm, integration of computation, networking and physical process for advanced automation. Example, self-driving car or remoting manufacturing system. Industrial IoT, industrial settings are optimizing operations or process, predictive maintenance, supply chain optimization and operational efficiency. Example, sensor in factory monitoring equipped help to prevent failures. Then IoT of service, IOS, is focused on delivering digital service through IoT device and system. Example, cloud-based platforms that enable users to access real-time service from IoT device. WOT, Web of Thinking, a layer built on top of IoT to standardize device interaction using web protocols. Example, using HTTP and REST APIs to interact with IoT device. REST API is an application programming interface that follows design principle of the REST architectural style. Thank you.